The digestive system is responsible for the removal of bacteria, cancer cells, toxins, and viruses, among other things. The average bowel movement weighs a quarter of a pound, so constipation may lead to constant weight gain. Chronic constipation may lead to obesity. Obesity is associated with many health issues such as high blood pressure, high LDL cholesterol, cancers, coronary heart disease, fatty liver disease, gallbladder disease, kidney disease, osteoarthritis, and stroke. In the USA, obesity is more fatal than the flu, homicide, pneumonia, and HIV/AIDS. Exercise and food lifestyle changes are proven treatments for obesity. Gardening is good exercise, and growing and consuming high fiber foods leads to weight loss. Easy to grow high fiber foods include dark leafy greens, raspberries, blackberries, and other fruits and vegetables. I'm your natural mystic medicine man reporting for Natural Medicine News. Peace and guidance.